Now you're about to learn how you can make thousands of dollars in pure passive income on autopilot right from your home without having to invest any money at all. This works for all countries in the world, and on top of that, it can even be done with your phone or your laptop or your computer. Get ready because the life-changing tutorial will start now. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Let's start with step number 1, since this is going to be divided into actionable steps, which you can easily follow. If you want to make this happen and if you want this to work for you, I urge you to just follow each and every step and take action. Don't just watch the video because in that way, it will not work for you. If you just watch it and don't take action, then you won't make any money at all. But if you complete each step, then that will make a difference. Anyway, let's start with the first step before I show you how I will combine this tool with Google to make loads of money without owning a website. Our first step is going to be coming over to the website called Mangools.com. Since we've never talked about this strategy before, you probably don't even know what this website is all about. Well, Mangools.com is a tool that will improve your SEO, your search engine optimization. It means how high your website ranks in Google, how likely people will visit your website, and how easy it is for them to discover. Don't worry, you do not need a website and you do not need any SEO knowledge. You just need to simply follow the steps from this tutorial. It is going to be so easy. Anyway, Mangools is a tool that helps you rank higher on Google than your competition, but you don't need a website and you do not have to invest any money to earn from this. So the first step is to just come over to Mangools.com, and if you want to, you can read more about it. So now I want you to pause the video and go visit and complete this step. I want you to do the same for every other step. Watch it, pause the video, complete the step, and watch the next step. In that way, by the end of this video, you will have everything set up and ready to make money. Let's go to the next step. Step number 2. Now that you know what Mangools does, you will need to sign up for absolutely free. Come to the top of the page and click here, and that will take you over to the page that looks something like this. In order to create an account, you will need to enter your email address, create a password, click I am not a robot, and just go to create my Mangools account. Once you do, you will be successfully logged into your Mangools account that should look something like this. This is the dashboard. So that's it for now. Just go over to Mangools.com and sign up for free. Create an account and I'll be waiting for you. So now we'll jump straight into step number 3. I hope you've completed the previous 2 steps and you're already making some progress. If you haven't completed them yet, go back and complete the first 2 steps before you get into the third step, which is going to be going over to Google.com. So here we will start using Google. The third step is to open Google, and for now, just leave it open like that. We will start using it in a minute. You just need to copy something first. Now that you have Google open there, it's time for you to get back to Mangools and you will see the affiliates section. You can join their affiliate program that pays 30% recurring monthly commissions. If you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most popular one is this amount, which means you can make 30% of that amount per person you refer. So that's just from one single person. So that's your monthly income without you having to lift a finger. If you refer 100 people, then that's so much money per month. Once you have all those referrals, you can turn off your phone or your computer and just enjoy your earnings. Of course, there are some cheaper, but there are also even more expensive plans from which you can make even more money. If you stick around, I'll show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google in order to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely free. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So now just go to Affiliate Programs and go to Promo Materials. Here you can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link that will make us money. When people click on it, they will be sent to this page, where they can sign up to Mangools, and depending on the plan that they choose, we will make a monthly income. So you want to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So copy that and go to Bitly. Bitly is a link shortening website. So in order to make this long affiliate link short and sweet, all you need to do is paste it here. Click shorten and just copy the shortened link. Now it's a lot more appealing for people to go click on it. So that was step number 4. Grab your affiliate link and shorten it using Bitly. Complete these steps and let's go to step number 5. Now that you have your short affiliate link, let's go back to Google and think, who needs a better SEO? Who needs better rankings and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously, every single website in the world, and there are currently hundreds of billions of them. Do you know how many of them are out there? Over 1 billion. Yes, not a million, not 100 million, but 1 billion. And you just need 100 of them. Just 100 to use your referral link, and you'll make thousands of dollars every single month. Of course, you need to put in some work first. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So now for step number 5, just go to Google, think of some business. Maybe a dentist, gym, barber, restaurant, pet shop, or literally anything you can think of. And then just think of some small places, small city or town. For example, I can search for Newberry, South Carolina. For example, dentist, Newberry Dentist, South Carolina. There are endless search results of anything you can think of. You can just play around with what you can think of and see what gives you the best results. So that's why I said it's going to be a really fun process. It's like a game. You think of some small place, think of some business, try different variations, and easily find your referrals. For now, as an example, I search for a Newberry, Carolina dentist. So you can do anything else. You can even open up a map and randomly pick places. But for now, I'll just do this one and I'll use the business dentist. Step number 6. Once you search for that term on Google, you can skip the ads that show up at the top of the search results in Google because obviously those guys know how to do SEO properly. And they don't need this tool. But all the other thousands and thousands of businesses below them clearly need your help and are willing to invest into their business because they can see a massive return. So you'll open some of those websites, and for 99% of them, you will be able to see their contact information either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find the email address or any other contact information, and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. I will help you craft your own message, and that's a lot better. So with one simple message, you can make them click on your affiliate link that takes them to Mangools where they can sign up and you will make money. So, you can start your own message or an email with something like, "Dear Sir or Madam, I saw you were running a nice business," or "I saw you had a nice restaurant," or "a nice office," or whatever it is. But your website is not ranking. So you are missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then you can maybe say something like, "I had the same problem recently, but I found some tool online that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days," or something like that. Now you can either send them your affiliate link immediately in that first message, or you can wait for the reply and then send your affiliate link. Remember, you need to do this once to get some signups, and you will keep making a monthly passive income for the next couple of months or a couple of years. So sacrifice some time and effort now and enjoy afterward. So to recap, just copy your affiliate link, create a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google to find some businesses, and just paste the script and your affiliate link, and that's it. You will help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful and you will be happy because you have helped someone, but as well, you made a lot of money and a lot of passive income. Follow the steps, take action, and enjoy your money. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.